Okay, for this week's activity, you're going to need your Play-Doh, your little tongs that come in your kit. You should have some kind of like pipe cleaner. Yours may be a different color. The little bag of beads, or yours could have come in a container of beads. The gold coins, and the tennis ball that looks like a little Pac-Man guy. So if you want to pause the video so you can go get those materials, and then you can be ready to start. Okay, the first thing we're going to use is our Play-Doh and the tongs. So you're going to first practice on opening your Play-Doh lid. And if you haven't opened it before, it's going to be kind of hard, so you might have to get one of your parents to help you open this. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to put your thumb on the top of the container, and you're going to use your fingertips to pull up under the lid. So you're going to press down with your thumb, and you're going to pull up with your fingers to open the Play-Doh. Remember, if you need some help, you need to get one of your parents. Then once you get the lid off of your Play-Doh, you're going to hold it upside down, and you're going to squeeze all around the edge of it until your Play-Doh starts coming out. And then put this over to the side. Okay, we need to warm our Play-Doh up. So we're going to squeeze it in each hand until you get your Play-Doh all nice and warm. So just keep switching hands until your Play-Doh is nice and warm. Then once you get it nice and warm and you can like squeeze it easily, you're going to put it on the table. Now, we've done this in class before. You're going to take your Play-Doh and you're going to push down, and then we're going to roll it. So you have to press with both hands down on your Play-Doh, and we're going to roll it into a snake. So press down and push your hands forward, push your hands back at the same time, okay? And just keep rolling it out until you get a pretty good sized snake. All right, once you get it rolled out into a snake, you're going to squeeze it with your two fingers. You're going to squeeze pieces off, and we're going to get off 10 pieces. So count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. All right, so we got our 10 pieces, and you can practice counting them again. 1 by touching them, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces. Then put your other Play-Doh just over to the side. Now you're going to get your little tongs. I don't know what yours looks like. Mine are little seashells. And we're going to hold the tongs down at the bottom of the colored part. So just practice holding them down there. Try to use your thumb and 2 fingers. If your hands are smaller, you might have to use like your whole hand like this. So we're just going to practice squeezing our tongs. So we have to squeeze, then let go, squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go. All right, now you're going to get your Play-Doh container, and we're going to pick up our pieces of Play-Doh one at a time. Only one at a time. We're going to put it in the container. So you're going to pick it up and squeeze. And sometimes it gets caught on this. You might have to use your other hand to help. So you're going to squeeze, then let go, squeeze, 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 let go, squeeze it, let go, squeeze. And sometimes if I shake it, it comes off. But if not, then I have to use my other hand to help. And then, see how sometimes it comes off when I do that? Now you can do that a couple of times. You can pour it back out, line it up again, 5 at the top, 5 at the bottom, practice counting. And then after you're done, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 times, however many times you want to do it, then you can just put all your Play-Doh back in and squish it down. Think at the top, line it up, and you're going to push down, squeeze it down. Put it over to the side. Put your tongs to the side. All right, now we're going to get our pipe cleaner and our bag of beads. So you might have to get somebody to help you, but we're going to take out 10 beads. Okay, so same thing, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our magic number today is 10 beads. 10 pieces of Play-Doh. All right. So there should be one end of your pipe cleaner that has like a little circle. So you're going to use the opposite end, and that's what we're going to put our beads on. So you're going to practice picking up the beads with your thumb and this finger. So you're going to pick them up. We're going to put them on the end of our pipe cleaner, and we're going to pull it down with the other hand. We're going to use this hand, pick them up, and then pull it down with the other hand. So we're going to do that until we get all the beads onto our pipe cleaner. So always pick it up with one hand and pull it down with the other. Pick it up with one, pull it down with the other, because we need to practice using both of our hands together. Pick it up, pull it down, pick it up, pull it down, pick it up, pull it down. Same thing, pick it up, pull it down. Last one, pick it up, pull it down. So I want you to practice doing this at least 2 times also. Then once you get them all on, then you're just going to take them back off, and you're going to stand them back up again and practice counting. So I want you to count, put them in 5 in the top row, and then put 5 on the bottom row, and then practice putting them back on the pipe cleaner. Okay, so do that 2 times. Then when you're done, put them back in the bag 1 at a time. So we're just going to practice picking them up with these 2 fingers and putting them back in the bag. We always have to clean up our mess when we're done. And then make sure and you zip the top of your bag. And if you need help again, you need to ask a parent. Okay? Because we don't want these beads coming out. All right, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to get our tennis ball guy, and we're going to get some gold coins. And guess how many gold coins we're going to get? We're going to get 10 gold coins. It's our lucky number today. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to line them up. Put it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, after we get our 10 coins lined up, we're going to practice flipping them over. So we're going to take our coins and we're going to flip them over. Then go to the top row, same thing, flip them over. All right, and practice doing that a couple of times. Then we're going to take our tennis ball guy. And do you see how he has a crazy looking mouth? If you push on the sides of the mouth, so this side and this side with your hand, he'll open his mouth up. And you let go and he closes it. And you squeeze and he opens, and let go and he closes. So we're going to take one coin at a time. We're going to squeeze so he opens his mouth. We're going to put that coin in, and then we're going to let go so he closes it. So we squeeze, he opens, we let go, and he closes. Squeeze, he opens, let go, and he closes. So we're going to do that with all of our coins until he's eaten all 10, and you can count them as you go. That was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and our last one, 10. Then just shake them. Whoops! One of them fell out. Shake your guy. Shake them with both hands. Then after you get them all in, you're going to turn them upside down, and we're going to squeeze again on either side of the mouth with our, and he's going to just spit them all back out. There, it's all done. And then do the same thing. Line your coins up, 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom. And then we're going to practice the same thing. We're going to squeeze on either side of his mouth with one hand, and we're going to pick the coins up and put them one at a time in his mouth, and then shake them out again. Then after you do that, remember, always clean up your mess. Pick your coins up one at a time and put them back in your bag. Then after you get all your coins picked up, our last thing we need to do is we need to close our bag. So we have to try to press on the thing so we don't want our coins falling out. And then put all your stuff back in your bag. And that's all we're going to do for this week. So practice that at least once every day. See you later. Bye.